we have here is the original microinverters are installed. They're the m190 inverters. This one here is one that I've already replaced. It's a bad one. What was nice about these is they were a series string type of inverter. You didn't need any cabling except for the end one that you were going to connect into your system. They just one plugged into the other in a string, and you could hook 15 of them on a string on a 20 amp circuit. So what happened is when they come up with the new series, which I have here, is I'll get the camera here and zoom in and show you. It's a little bit different. There's a cable that you hook in the system where the old inverter was, and then you actually plug the new inverter into the cable, which makes it nicer if you have to replace one of them. As there's a tool I'll show you that you need when I replace the inverter in the next video, that you use it. You just plug it in, pop it out, and it saves you probably 10 minutes time when you go to replace it. You don't have to cut all the wire ties off and unstring the whole cabling to hook the new one in. It'll already have that done. So what we got here is what I said. This is the old microinverter, just a string cable. You fasten it to the rail underneath the panel. This cable would hook into the next inverter and go down through, and this one would go the whole way to the other end and hook into the inverter. The new ones that they send to replace, this is the one I just got, I believe yesterday or the day before. So open it up here. Piece fell out. So what you have now is a new style that they made that is supposed to made a whole bunch of improvements. We don't have them go bad as often as the old ones did. It still says M90, and let me get the thing I've dropped on the floor. The M90 or 190, the 190 part of it just means that it will generate a maximum of 190 watts. So on my center section of the house, the panels are 230 watt. So if the sun was hitting them at the maximum power that the sun would hit, and the panels were generating 230 watts, the inverters will cut off at 190. So the maximum power that the inverters will generate is 190 watts. So this is the adapter plug that comes with it. This will actually connect to the solar panels, so the DCs, the solar panels. I'm sure that there's a slot here that you can't get them wrong. So, and then this cable that came with it is the new string cable. So you'd take the old inverter off. Stick this in line. This is some type of capacitor or something they put in. I don't know what it you know, to improve. It must improve the efficiency of the inverter itself. So this will replace the cabling that was on the old inverter, and then this will just plug in to the inverter here. I'm not going to plug it in now because I want to fasten on the rail before I do that. And then plug the solar panel in and get on the system and make the update on the serial numbers, and the system will start reading a new inverter, and the system should start working again.